I'm in love with the box. Like, I haven't even opened it yet, and I just love the box. So we're seeing the same thing in real time. So here's a card. It doesn't really have anything on it. It says for you. The colors are so pretty. Thank you for shopping at Bookstore. So the back of the card says you're indigenous, you're indispensable, you're in demand, and now you're booked. So cute. So this is a journal. Little backstory, this is a journal that one of my homegirls put on Instagram, and I was like, oh my god, I love this journal, so I purchased one. Oh, here it is. Book 2022 period. This is so cute. Oh, this is so cute. Let me open it up. Oh my gosh. Come on, Brianna. Sorry, y'all hear that thing moving around? Because I'm moving all this stuff. Okay. Look at it without the plastic on. I'm in love with the box. Like, I haven't even opened it yet, and I just love the box. Ooh. Ooh. This is so cute. Let me flip the camera so I can show y'all. Oh, look at this. This is so freaking cute. Booked. So, what do we have? Look at this cute pen. Oh my gosh. This is so freaking cute. Oops. Welcome to your next level. Take a few minutes to get acquainted with your new booked planner. With gratitude and love. So freaking cute. P.S. A list of affirmations is on the back. Oh, yes. I'm definitely putting this right here. This is super cute. What is this? Oh my gosh. It's a little bookmark. Y'all, they really did that. Ooh. Alright, alright. Let me open it up. Let me put y'all back. Let's put y'all back over here. Put y'all down so y'all can see. Oh, it's so thick. And I love it. Look at it. I love that. Oh, it's so freaking cute. Look at the tabs. Hold up. Y'all see the tabs? Sunday, Monday, Tuesday. Like, no, this is January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. So first page has this cute folder. Excellence lives here. Okay, period. It does. Sure does. So it's folders on. It's a pocket folder on both sides. Ah, stickers. Your girl loves the stickers. These are cute. Oh yes. Get into these stickers, y'all. Okay. Okay. This planner is for you. Your goal is to do it bigger and better in 2022. That's the motherfucking goal. Bigger and motherfucking better. All right, so let's skip through. Y'all have to get one so y'all can see, you know, all this extra. I'm about to show y'all that, but it's like no. But for real though, let's like move through because I'll be here forever just showing y'all this whole damn book. So this is how, and it's so freaking cute. Let me see something. So here's how it shows. Actually, let me give y'all a better view this way because so you can see what I'm talking about. All right, so January, whoop. And it has hairstyle. Stop playing with the hairstyle. So this month I commit to, space to put in what you commit to, the calendar, Oh, next page. We have January notes. All this space for you to write some notes. We have January's goals. Set your intentions and goals for the month. Yes, ma'am. Strictly financial. Period. So this is cute. I really like this. Meal plans. Okay. Oh. This is so my lifestyle. Like a grocery list. And y'all know I be shopping on Instacart. Love it. And then we have, so here's the days. So this would be 31st, January 1st. And then so the schedule from 6 a.m. to 9 p.m. I will win the day by spiritual focus, physical activity, self-care, calls, email and follow-ups, to-do list, and then we move on. Saturday and Sunday. Oh, I like how they do it. Like, I like this reflection and gratitude. And then you got a little quote right here. Very cute, very cute, very cute. So pretty much what I'm seeing is for the weekdays, you have like the schedule from 6 a.m. to 9 p.m. And then for the weekend, yeah, for the weekends, it's just a little section for you to get some to-do in. To do tasks, some tasks in there. But yeah, this is so cute. Look at, clean your oven, y'all. I really like this. Okay, that's enough of this. But yeah, I love it. I'm about to get on right now. I like my nails. I did them. Belle Visage Beauty Bar and Spa. Talk to me nice. But this is so cute.